In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure your customer settings in Prestashop. It's going to take just 5 minutes, so let's dive in and explore how you can easily manage your customer settings. First things first, make sure you're logged in. Once logged in, you should be redirected seamlessly to the Prestashop back-office dashboard. This is your main control center for managing all aspects of your online store. From managing your products to engaging with your customers, everything starts here. Now that you're comfortably in the dashboard, go ahead and locate the settings option. You'll want to click on it to advance to the next step. Within the settings menu, you'll find a variety of options at your disposal. Focus on clicking on Shop Parameters. This takes you deeper into the customization toolkit available for your online store, allowing you to hone in on specifics. From here, proceed to click on Customer Settings. Once inside, you'll notice that this area is divided into 3 main tabs: Customer Settings, Groups, and Titles. Each tab is a powerful tool that allows you to fine-tune specific aspects of the customer experience on your site. Under the Customer Settings tab, you can enable or adjust preferences such as whether to redisplay the cart upon login, decide if an automatic email notification should be sent following customer registration, or even set up a delay for password resets. These options streamline your user's journey and provide convenience at every interaction. Moving on to the customer service options, here you'll gain access to additional configuration settings like email management, message deletion, and the ability to create new threads for customer communication. These settings are vital for maintaining smooth and effective communication with your customers, ensuring they feel valued and attended to. Next, let's switch our focus to the Groups tab. This particular area empowers you to manage different customer groups and even assign individual customers to these groups right from their personal profile. This feature is particularly useful for setting up targeted promotions or providing tiered access to various features within your store, catering to specific customer needs or preferences. Lastly, you have the option to visit the customer's page itself if you need to modify specific customer details. This might include adjusting titles, names, email addresses, passwords, birth dates, and assigning group access. This granular level of detail isn't just about keeping organized records. It also provides an enriched experience for your customers, making them feel specially looked after and recognized for their individuality. And there you have it. With these few steps, you can efficiently configure and manage your customer settings in Prestashop, thereby elevating the customer experience on your platform. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials.